Here's the solution for day 3, problem 1. On a coordinate grid, point A is at 1, 1 and point B is at 4, 5. Question A, sketch the diagram, and question B, find the distance between A and B. When we examine the coordinates of these ordered pairs, I do not notice any negative numbers, so just drawing a quadrant 1 grid will be sufficient. Now, how far do we need to go over here on the x-axis? This x-coordinate is 1, this x-coordinate is 4, so the largest x-coordinate that appears is 4. Only need 4 marks over. There's 4 marks. Now let's look at the y-coordinates. This y-coordinate is 1, this y-coordinate is 5. The largest y value is 5, and that's as far as we need to make marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Far enough. Okay. Now let's graph these dots. 1, 1. Over 1, up 1, here is point A. It is located at 1 on the x-axis and 1 on the y-axis. Now point B is 4, 5. So right 4, up 5, here is point B. Again, it lines up with 4 on the x-axis and it lines up with 5 on the y-axis. In question B, we're asked to find the distance between here. So we could even connect this. This forms a segment. And one way to find the length of a segment on a coordinate grid is to create a right triangle. So draw straight down from here, straight across from here. That creates a 90-degree angle in that corner. Now, how long is the bottom of the triangle? Well, it stretches from 1 to 4. That's 3 units apart. How tall is this triangle? It stretches from 1 to 5. That's 4 units apart. Then with the Pythagorean theorem, we can find the length of that hypotenuse. So question B, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The shortest leg is 3, that goes in for A. The other leg is 4, that goes in for B. And the hypotenuse of this triangle is segment AB. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 9 plus 16 is 25. So 25 is equal to AB squared. Now let's use square root. The square root of 25 is equal to AB. The square root of 25 is 5. And so we have as our answer, length AB is equal to 5 units. Now, day 3, problem 2. You charge $220 on a credit card that charges 14.50% compounded monthly. If you make no payments for 24 months, then how much money do you owe the credit card company? So A equals, for the letter P, fill in 220. For the letter R, we're going to fill in this interest rate, but convert it into a decimal. So take that dot, move it 2 places to the left. That's 0.1450. Divided by, okay, the letter N, the number of times that the interest is compounded. We're told it occurs monthly, and that means 12 times per year. In the exponent, the letter N is 12 times. Now the letter T, the time in years, says 24 months. 24 months is another way to say 2 years. This is what gets typed in the calculator. When you type it in, you might type that in right there as 24. So let's see how much money this is. Calculator says $293.50.